So we need to figure out the x value for which the function attains its minimum value. So our condition would be the derivative, the first derivative of this function needs to be 0 at the minimum value. And then we'll confirm by finding the second derivative. So f prime x here would be minus 3. So the way I think about this is I write it like that. And then you can apply the rule minus 2 times x minus 2 minus 1. Same thing here, minus 3 times minus 3 minus 1. So this is going to become 6 over x cubed minus 12 over x to the 4. So our condition is at that point, let me just call that C, it's equal to 0. Note here that x is positive. So we're looking at positive values. I can equate these two, and I can do these divisions because C is positive. So C would be 12 over 6 or 2. And to confirm that it is indeed a minima, you'd find the second derivative, which will be minus 18 to the x fourth, and then plus 48 over x to the fifth. And then if I compute it at 2, 16 plus 42 over 32, you'll see that this number is a little bit more than 1, but that is 1.5, so this is clearly positive. That means this is indeed a minimum because our condition is f double prime c is greater than 0. So it's a minima at c equal to 2, and they want to know the minimum value, not the x value for which it attains a minimum. So we have to plug it back in here and then compute the minimum value. 2 cubed, so that's minus 3/4 plus 4 over 8. So that becomes minus 6 over 8 plus 4 over 8, just matching the denominators here. And that comes out to minus 1/4, which is the answer. Now here, this is what the graph of the function looks like. Of course, we can't use a graphing calculator here, otherwise this question would be really easy. But I would say, I use Desmos a lot. You can go in and graph and see kind of the results make sense and what the function looks like. And so, yeah, which it does match, and it should. So use it. I know you can also use the TI calculator, but it's something that I haven't learned. So I just either do it by hand or use Desmos, which, of course, for this question, we don't have access. So the answer here is minus 1/4.